Welcome to maths class, and today we'll do fractions. A fraction is a part of whole things or a collection. When a whole thing is divided into equal part, each part is called a fraction. Sunita went to a Pizza Hut with her friend. They ordered a pizza with 12 cold drinks. Pizza was divided into 12 equal pieces for each one of them. So each one of them will get 1 by 12 part. So each child will get 1 by 6 into 12 means 2 cold drink and 1 by 12 part of pizza. Clear? Let's revise. Color one half of each of the following. So it is divided into 2 equal part. Any one part you can color, that will represent 1 by 2 part. Next, write the fraction for each of the shaded part. So here, this figure is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of the 3 are shaded, so it will represent 3 by 4. Next, color 1/3 of each of the following. So 3 equal part, out of that you can shade any one part, that will represent 1 by 3. Next is activity corner. First color of Indian flag and then answer the following question. What fraction the Indian flag is? White and orange. So सबसे पहले आपको इंडियन फ्लैग गिवन है, इसमें कलर करना है. सबसे ऊपर आएगा ऑरेंज एंड सैफरन, देन वाइट एंड देन ग्रीन. सो 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स हैं. वाइट एंड ऑरेंज विल रिप्रेजेंट 2 by 3. क्लियर? इस तरीके से आपको सबका फ्रैक्शन बताना है. नेक्स्ट, राइटिंग अ फ्रैक्शन. A fraction is written with the 2 numerals. The number above the line, that is known as numerator, and the number below the line, उसको हम बोलेंगे denominator. Like a fraction is 6 by 8. So 6 जो है line के ऊपर है, that is numerator. 8 is below the line, that is known as denominator. 1/2 यानी 1 by 2. 1/2 means 1 out of 2 equal part. In the adjoining figure, 1 part is shaded out of 2 equal part. 2 equal part में से 1 shaded है, वो किसको represent करेगा? 1 by 2 को. It is read as 1/2 or 1 by 2 or 1/2. Next is 1/3. 1/3 means 1 out of 3 equal part. So in the adjoining figure, out of 3 there is 1 shaded part. Clear? 3 में से 1 shaded है, that will represent 1 by 3 part. Next, 1/4. 1/4 means 1 out of 4 equal parts. So 4 equal part, out of that 1 is shaded, that will represent 1 by 4. Next, 2/3. 2/3 means 2 out of 3 equal parts. In the adjoining figure, 2 parts are shaded out of 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts है 1, 2 and 3. Out of that 2 are shaded. That will represent the shaded part का portion है, that is 2 by 3. Next is 3/4. So 3/4 means 3 out of 4 equal parts. So in the adjoining figure, 3 parts are shaded out of 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts है, उसमें से 3 shaded है, that will represent 3 by 4. Next, some more fraction. 1/4. So numerator 1, 4 is denominator. 3 by 5, 3/5 बोलेंगे. 3 numerator, 5 denominator. 1/6, 1 numerator, 6 denominator. So some more fractions are given here. Numerator जो है, numerator shows how many parts we have taken. कितने parts हम ले रहे हैं वो numerator बताएगा, and denominator shows the total number of equal part. Next, evaluation time 6.1. Write the numerator and denominator for each of the following fraction. 5 by 8. So numerator is 5 and denominator is 8. Next, write the fraction whose numerator is 3 and denominator is 7. So fraction हो जाएगा 3 by 7. Clear? Next, write each of the following fraction in words. 5 by 6. तो 5/6 इसको हम लिखेंगे 5/6. Next, write each of the following fraction in number. 2/7 यानी कि 2 by 7. Next, part of a collection. A collection is a group of objects. Let us take a collection of 12 balls. So ये total 12 balls का collection है. If we divide the balls into 2 equal part, so each collection has 6 balls. अगर हम 2 equal part में divide कर दें, 1 by 2 of 12. 2 6 are 12. तो 6 हो जाएंगे each part में 6 balls. If we divide these balls into 4 equal part, अगर 4 equal part में divide करें हम, so each part में कितना हो जाएगा? 1/4 into 12, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equal part में divide किया, so each part will have 3 balls. Now we'll take an example here. Megha has 10 books. She gave half of these to her brother. How many books are left with her? So total 10 books हैं, उसका 1/2 निकालेंगे, that is equals to 5. Clear? So 1/2 of 10 is 5. Hence मेगा के पास कितनी बच गई? 10 minus 5, 5 books. Next is evaluation time 6.2. Color the picture and find the number 1/2 of 14. 1/2 of 14, 1/2 into 14. So हम क्या करते हैं? न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से. Means 14 divided by 2, that is 7. So you will color 7 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will represent 1/2 of 14. Clear? Next, find the following. 1/3 of 21. 1/3 of 21. 21 divided by 3, that is 7. Next, types of fractions. Like fractions, fraction having the same denominator, they are called like fraction. For example, 2/7, 3/7, 5/7, 4/7, all are having same denominator 7, so they are like fraction. Unlike fractions, fraction having different denominator, they are called unlike fraction, like 4/8, 8/9, 7/12, denominator different है सबके, so ये हो जाएगा unlike fraction. Next is proper fraction. Fraction whose numerator is smaller than the denominator, जिसका numerator denominator से छोटा हो वो क्या कहलाएगा? Proper fraction. Like 2/5, 3/8, 7/12, 14/18, ये सब है proper fraction. Next, improper fraction. Fraction whose denominator is equal to or smaller than numerator, means denominator या तो numerator के equal है या उससे छोटा है, वो क्या कहलाएगा? Improper fraction. Like 7/3, 8/2, 9/6, 12/8, improper fraction. Unit fraction. Unit means ones. The fraction whose numerator is 1, they are called unit fraction. All unit fractions are proper fraction. Next, evaluation time 6.3. Choose the unit fractions from the following. So जिसका भी numerator 1 होगा, like 1/10 is a unit fraction, तो इस तरीके से आपको unit fraction को identify करना है. Next, which of the following group of fractions are like fractions? So 3/6, 6/8, 9/10, 11/10. They are having different denominator. We are talking about group. यहाँ पे इन दोनों का denominator same है, but we are talking about a group. So it's not a group of like fraction because denominator जो है different है. Next, choose the proper and improper fractions from the following fraction. 5/4. Numerator is greater than denominator, so it is an improper fraction. Next, equivalent fraction. Look at the following figure. 1/2, 2/4, 2 equal part is, so 1 shaded है, it will represent 1/2. 4 equal part, 2 shaded, 2/4. It will represent 3/6 and 4/8. From the above picture, it is clear that the shaded part of each figure is equal. So 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are obtained by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same non-zero number. So equivalent fraction हम कैसे निकालेंगे? We will multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by same non-zero number. Example लेते हैं. Write 4 equivalent fractions of 3/6. 4 equivalent fraction find out करने हैं. That means पहले हमने numerator and denominator को 2 से किया, then 3, then 4, then 5, इस तरीके से multiply किया. We'll get 6/12, 9/18, 12/24, 15/30. All these are equivalent fractions. Clear? Next is comparison of fraction. In this class, we will compare like fractions. The fraction having the greater numerator is greater than the other fraction. Like fraction है, denominator same होगा, so we'll compare the numerator. जिसका भी numerator greater होगा, that will be greater. Clear? Like 4/5 and 1/5. So, more part of the first figure is shaded than the second figure. Both the figures are equally divided. दोनों 5 part में divided है, but फर्स्ट वाले पार्ट में हम ज़्यादा शेड पार्ट ले रहे हैं, सो 4/5 विल बी ग्रेटर देन 1/5. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. कंपेयर द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ फ्रैक्शन 3/11 and 5/11. Denominator same है, they are like fractions, so we'll compare the numerator. 5 is greater than 3, so 5 by 11 will be greater than 3 by 11. Clear? So you have to practice all the examples given here. Next is evolution time 6.4. Write 4 equivalent fractions of each of the following. 3 by 4, so 2 से multiply करेंगे, 3 2 is 6, 4 2 is 8. Then 3 से करेंगे, 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12. Then 4 से करेंगे, 4 3 is 12 and 4 4 is 16. 5 से करेंगे, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Clear? Next, fill in the blanks. 9 by 11. So equivalent fraction है, डिनोमिनेटर 88 हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स हमने 11 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, दैट मीन्स इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन है, हम न्यूमरेटर को भी सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 9 into 8 that is 72. Next, fill in the boxes with greater than, less than or equal to. So 4 by 19 and 4 by 19, they are equivalent fraction. Clear? Next, addition and subtraction of fractions. Sum of two or more like fractions, that is sum of their numerator upon common denominator. Example समझते हैं. Add the following: 9 by 12 plus 1 by 12. Denominator same है, like fraction है. That means simply we have to add the numerator 9 plus 1 and write the common denominator, that is 12. So 9 plus 1, 10 upon 12. Next, evolution time 6.5. Add the following: 3 by 10 plus 6 by 10. So 6 plus 3, that is 9 upon 10, 9 by 10. Next, subtract the following. Like fraction है, 8 by 12 minus 6 by 12. So 8 minus 6, that is 2 by 12. Next, simplify the following. 17 upon 32 plus 6 upon 32 minus 10 upon 32. So 17 plus 6 minus 10 upon 32. So 17 और 6 को हम ऐड कर देंगे, उसमें से 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, 13 upon 32. Clear? Next, write plus or minus sign in the boxes to make them true. 9 by 17, इसमें अगर हम ऐड करेंगे 5 by 17 तो ये हो जाएगा 14 by 17. Next, story problems. Example लेते हैं. गीता read 4 by 12 part of a book in the first 15 days and 3 by 12 part of the same book in next 17 days. How much part of the book is left to read? So पहले हम ऐड करेंगे कि कितना पार्ट उसने रीड किया है. So first 15 days में उसने 4 by 12 and 17 days में 3 by 12. So ऐड करेंगे तो टोटल 7 by 12 पार्ट उसने रीड किया है. Now टोटल बैक इज कंसिडर, बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे होल ले रहे हैं तो इट कंसिडर इज 1. सो 1 में से जितना पार्ट उसने रीड किया उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 1 minus 7 by 12, सो दैट इज 12 LCM आ जाएगा. तो 12 minus 7, 5 by 12 पार्ट जो है वो गीता का अभी बचा हुआ है. नेक्स्ट इज evaluation time 6.6. Manish ate 1/5 of pizza. What part of pizza were left? So होल में से 1/5 उसने खा लिया तो उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सो ये हो जाएगा 5 minus 1 upon 5. That means 4 by 5 part. Clear? So practice all the questions. Next is look back. A fraction is the part of the whole thing or collection. A fraction is written with the two numerals, the numeral above the line that is called numerator and the numeral below the line that is known as denominator. Numerator shows the how many parts we have taken and denominator shows the total number of equal parts. Fraction having the same denominator are called the fractions. Fraction having the different denominator, they are called unlike fraction. Numerator of the proper fraction is smaller than the denominator. Numerator of the improper fraction that is equal to or greater than the denominator. Numerator of the unit fraction is 1. Equivalent fractions are obtained by multiplying or dividing the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same non-zero number. In like fractions, fraction having greater numerator is greater than other. Sum of like fraction that is equals to sum of their numerator upon common denominator. Difference of like fraction upon common denominator. Next is mental zone. Write the denominator in each to make them improper fractions. Improper fraction, that means numerator should be greater than denominator, so we can write 4/3. Clear? Next, multiple choice question. Take the correct option. 1/7 of 77 is equal to 11. So A is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको अच्छे समझ में आया है. Now to practice it.